Hey there, smart minds. So, welcome back to our Shubhkaamna Academy channel. So, today's lesson is all about visual reasoning, using your eyes and brain together to solve fun picture puzzles. So, let's dive in. So, visual reasoning. What do you mean by visual reasoning? So, here it means using your eyes and brain together to look at pictures, shapes, and patterns to spot your differences. Second one is to find what comes next and solve tricky image puzzles, right? It's something like playing a puzzle game, but with your brain. So here we can see some types of visual reasoning questions where it can arise in logical reasoning tests. First one is odd one out, second pattern sequence, third mirror and water images, fourth figure complexion and matching, and fifth paper folding or cutting. So here there are some types of visual reasoning. So now let's jump into the examples for the same. So here the type 1 is odd one out. Well, here's an easy one. Can you find the odd one out? Why? Because all the others are blue, right? Here the answer will be gray because all others are blue, right? And what about type 2? What pattern sequences? Look at the pattern and see what comes next. So here triangle is upward, downward, upward, downward, upward. So here the next answer will be downward. The shapes alternate between up and down triangles. So the next answer will be downward triangle, right? So always watch for the order in which things repeat or change. Here in the type 3, we can see how a shape looks in a mirror or in a water. Imagine a letter B in a mirror, it looks like D. So students, can you just write letter B in a paper and just take it to the mirror and see what the next letter comes. So yes, exactly the letter come will be showing you the B. So here you can make this at home. You can try this at home where in a paper you can write down some of the letters. You can keep it in the water tub to be like this, and where it shows a letter where W letter is shown like a M. So these are some of the experiments you can do at home, and you can check about the mirror and water images, how the images has been shown in your picture in your book, and how it should be showing in the mirror or in the water, right? So now let's reflect literally, how do letters look in a mirror or in a water? So always imagine what the shape or letter will look if if it was be flipped, right? So next type is complete the picture. Yes, choose the part that completes the figure. A puzzle shape with a missing corner. You pick the piece that fits the missing part. So here's a puzzle pieces with a missing corner. Can you choose the part that completes it? So look closely at shapes, lines, and directions. Right? So paper folding and cutting. Imagine folding paper and making a cut. What will the paper look like when opened? Try to visualize both the fold and the symmetry of the cut. Right? So let's taste your brain power now. I wanna say you have to at home you have to check mirror image of E is what exactly showing in the mirror. So first option is E, second option is backward 3, and third option is M. So please comment your answers below or drop your answers in the comment so I can check who is the smartest one and who is going to be the right one for the right question. So yes, awesome job, puzzle masters. Visual reasoning is fun and sharpens your brain. So practice this regularly and you will be solving challenges like a pro. So do like, share and subscribe for more brain boosting videos. See you in the next sessions. Bye.